Question 2. Find all of the first order partial derivatives for the following functions. We have the first one, z, as the functions of what? U and what? And v. So let's go straight and do the work. So we're going to find the first one, z respect to u. I mean partial derivative respect to u. So in that case now, what this means is that we're going to differentiate only u. All other variable that is not u will be kept as what? As a constant. And v will be kept as a constant. And don't forget that this is a quotient function, and we're going to use a quotient rule. Later, we square that. Okay. Then the denominator, u squared plus 5v times the derivative of the numerator respect to u times 9 minus numerator times derivative of the denominator respect to u. That's what? That's 2. So do your expansion. That will be equal to what? 9u squared plus 45v minus 18u squared all over this one. So, and that will be equal to 45v 9u squared minus 18u squared. That's minus 9u squared all over this one. Can we also do the respect to v, partial derivative respect to v? I mean z subscript v, okay, which is the same thing as what? Del z del v, okay? So that will be equal to, do the same thing, it's a quotient function, the denominator u squared plus 5v, okay, square that, and that will be equal to what? U squared plus 5v times derivative of the numerator. And in this case now, u is a constant. So derivative of this is what? Is 0. Okay, minus the numerator times derivative, partial derivative of the denominator respect to v. And that's what? That's v. So this one is gone. So we have, that's minus 45 u all over this one. The b part is a function of 3 variables, x, y, and z. So we are going to partial derivative respect to x. We spot the x function and differentiate that. Y, and z will be kept as a constant. And that will be equal to what? Sine y all over z squared. Okay, that's the first one. Now the first order partial derivative respect to x. Let's do respect to y. That's the g subscript y, which is the same thing as what? As del g over what? Del y. Okay, so in that case also, x is going to be kept as a constant. We differentiate the y only, and that will be cos y over what? Over z squared. The third one, we'll differentiate g respect to z. This one as this algebra, that will be z to power minus 2. So if you differentiate that, minus 2x sine y, and that's z minus 1. Okay, you're only differentiating this one, you are keeping these two functions constant. So all over z to power what? Z to power 3. So that's that on the partial differential of this function. Then the last one, we get the z subscript s. So that will be 2x. Okay, plus we differentiate this one. Then this one, that will be 1 over 5x minus 3x squared. Then times derivative of the composite function respect to x times 5. Okay, then z respect to y, partial derivative of z respect to y, that will be, this will be constant, that's 0, then plus ln function. Don't forget what we said about it. So do 1 over the function is derivative of this inner function respect to y. That's what? Minus 3. Okay, that's minus 3. So which is equal as minus 3 over. So that's that on these first order partial derivative. There's a watermarks on this video. Kindly click on it and subscribe. As I upload, you get notified. Don't stop there. Click on like button and begin to type your comments. Finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that. Okay. The next video will be implicit differentiation. Okay, for functions of more than one variable.